leadership, Fana Makudu, Elias Moche, Coach Juventus. Since then, Zangaka Jika. I've been a football fan, a football fanatic. Up until now, let me acquire something, let me purchase a football team. So for now, I believe we are going there to compete, not just to save the status. I don't believe why should we save the status. We know the value of the status, so let's go and compete. Let's see what we can get out of that.
Guardians.
FIFA Chiefs, so FIFA Chiefs. But unfortunately, Banabaga moves to Kima Sundowns, so because of they say they are visionary, they're value driven. So I believe how about Amele the group.
Assessment Akauga Kaiser Chiefs so far.
I was watching the game Wednesday. They are still struggling because there's no first 11. But maybe next games, maybe there will be improvement because of the coach is not there. The technical team, I think they are in this way. But I think maybe after 5 games, we'll see the improvement. But remember, they have already played about more than 30% of the games start the league, and they still have a chance. But let's wait and see. I don't know because of now we have a new captain, which is the goalkeeper. So it's what's going on. What do you mean? Whoever made decisions, let's hope he or she acted decisively. So we just need to move on and soldier on.
Hanele we now le mo maimong abo Kaiser Junior lebo Bobby lebo Jessica no tla dira.
For me, I'll hire a good sporting director, or the person who will be in charge, will be in control, will be the face of the team. Unlike the family now, each and every time you look at the family, no. We need somebody who's neutral, who's going to give us results at the end of the day.
Hey, man, I want to use that sporting director. A neutral sporting director. Hey, can I let you go? Arbola most pensa Ga-Rankuwa Guardians ona le ntleng o intshitse thata ke ratile ga no tlhalosa foreigner simola pisana o rile wa re le itse boleng jwa status salna se le gore le se rekile le se tlhopa.
So I can tell you it's like buying a team is nothing. Maintaining the team is the very, very, very big thing. Because of you spend money on a daily basis. There's transport. The issue is that we are currently experiencing more high. We don't have players. So we have to go out and get the players with the party. Ga-Rankuwa, there's only few. Which is a big concern for Nali Nagano, this thing as well. Unfortunately, we should have this training level promotional league high, but time was not allowing us. So
Jantjies
there's no value. I don't think there's a value more SAB. You go to ABC, they go for up to between 800,000 to 1 million.
Okay.
Then how do you compare ABC le SAB? Because tomorrow I can wake up in Ga-Rankuwa Guardians get 200,000.
Okay.
Because first you need to get a stadium, you need to get a training ground, you need to get transport. Those things. NYE to sponsorship big matata. Even the sponsorship is South province. So we are trying our best to ensure that there's football more high. For now, I can also confirm that we have acquired Shining Stars, the ladies team, go from the Zidane. So we are just making sure that we are a good sporting club in terms of even the brand awareness it at all levels. It's not only for men, it's only for ladies as well.
No, congratulations mona re Jantjies. Gonne Zidane na le la re ke batla setlhopha se tsamaya ba gaetso ga ke sa khona. Oh yeah, gora gore ya no Ga-Rankuwa Guardians ba le rekile gape le setlhopha sa basadi. Gora gore re a gonna leng Ga-Rankuwa Guardians ladies.
Yeah, women and then and men's.
Okay.
So we are sorted for now.
Okay. Ke ra gone gore la go dirisa lena le lefe. Agree no Ga-Rankuwa Guardians Football Club ke ya ba ya basimane ya no le rekile ya basadi ya no ya go nna Ga-Rankuwa Guardians ladies kana la go itlogela ka shale.
We are still discussing that, but we can just add ladies there.
Okay. No ya utlogala o file ka boka status Zidane
ke mathata
no hana le mo ke tlo tlhalosetsa yona o tla tlhalosa hana le o lare between 20 and 30. So I give you how you ka gore.
Zidane made me sign a non-disclosure, so it is an NDA there, so I cannot disclose. Yeah,
Oh yeah, but between
it's between that
18 and 20, ne?
It's between 20 and 30.
Okay. Oh, it's 20 kako.
It's 20 kako because of Kimo Hyde, and we said no, okay, fine. We have built a team, and we also said to Zidane, because of Zidane mentioned that we said no, we want the team together so we can move forward.
Okay, no, congratulations to the Jantjies. No, ke kanseri mona. Me ano o rata bu diplomat. O kilo ana le diplomat ra. Okay.
No na fa.
Okay, I soon need diplomat ne.
Oh.
Ora ke le stop assess fin.
In terms of sub
the status airline sona sa tshamekan ko Hollywood
Batsmen okay it's a SC Maritimo go Headfield so Miguel Ferreira said no like this status I see she then I said okay let's sit down and let's finalize.
Okay no Hello, no gasere botse o gasere tlhalosetsene
that's 80,000 online.
Okay,
that's why I'm saying there's no way of saving 80,000 on a daily basis as anyone more teaming in terms of, because now we are struggling because of we have a big team Ga-Rankuwa Guardians. We cannot buy them the track suits all the attire each one is saying one time, so we are still going there, so it's not like starting football, buying a football team, you can buy 80,000, but you can spend almost like 200 million.
Yeah, no, re Jantjies uthusana le mang ko ena o le no si bona le ba o dirisana le bona.
I do have my close friends ba nthusang ba don't want to involve my soccer. They just help me, but I'll come back and give them what is due to them. So it's a jwang.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm trying my I can tell you I have the very good team around me.
Okay.
Baba sa hole ba itse no etla chance ho tle something.
No ke batla go bolela gone for re Jantjies. Structure same yang.
Yeah. So
go simolla ko dimo.
So thoma ka nna. Then ho na le a team manager which ke William Tabane. Then ho na le kit manager tse pedi Lebogang Tipele Kamohelo Matlohela. Then ho na le Steve McFarlane, a very good coach, a very knowledgeable coach. Then ho na le assistant coach who just came in this week,
Okay.
But I believe he is part of the team moving forward. Yeah.
William Tabane Waka kana nickname ya
America.
Oh, America. Oh, okay. It's early America ra ne karolo ya setlhopha sa lona. Ya no kutlo gore structure ga ke ne ke botsa ka structure o eng mo setlhopheng president kana chairman.
I can say I'm a chairman for now. Yeah.
And then ba buileng ka bona gore ke your close associates bona ke ga bana di title
just for that but we just club but to go like it's a team.
Okay, so le madi o buang ka ona gore o khonne gore ka status le bone ba tsentshitse letsogo.
No, in terms of status it was me, then other things it was me, but una ba bo nka se ba bitse ka mabitso.
No, I'll say
ba ke bona ba la tlhaga madi, then we see what we can do.
Le ikatisa go kae re Jantjies?
Since we Ga-Rankuwa hona le bothata ba di ground we only use one stadium. Whether ke gym, whether ke game time, ke one stadium. So before even if you buy status, but we said okay, let's bite the bullet, let's go and play.
Ya no ga no re ka status re Jantjies sa Maritimo.
Yeah.
Ke o tse re fela maemo a bona a mo leaking.
Yeah.
Batshamiki
No. The Maritimo is a big team, Gabriel. They have their own ground, they have own buses, facilities. Yeah, so I believe maybe they have a different direction from now on. Maybe next year we'll see them balloting country, you never know. Yeah, maybe they just took a break because I believe last year I think they were position 2.
Yes.
Yeah, so when you get a silver, you don't get that excited. Yeah.
Okay. No, ya utlwagala. Ya no gore o sibitse Ga-Rankuwa Guardians re Jantjies.
The name Guardians. No, I think the name Guardians is just those are the ones who are taking care of us. Those ones who are So I said no, let me just call GG boys. So I said GG, then I said no, GG boys. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fight the good fight. Yeah.
Yeah, no. Se seng khakamatsa thata o tlhalositse gore le na le technical team mme fela assistant coach o tlebe ke ga o meet.
No, I saw you go gymming at all this week. Yeah. So I saw money at all.
Yeah, no, ke ma recruiter nga gore.
No, so
technical team ke yona in charge.
Steve McFarlane is the head coach. Okay. We've been trying, sometimes it's so difficult because we are a new team. People still don't believe in us, but also we are playing our first game, then they'll see these guys are very serious.
Yeah.
We are just going for the league.
Yeah. Kamoso o simolla le Spartak re Jantjies. O tlhalositse gore ikatiso e tsweletse McFarlane le setlhopha ba tsweletse go ikatisa.
Yeah.
Gora gore kamoso re ka solofela sengwe go thunya ga ditlhase.
You are not expecting anything than a win. Yeah.
Me fela ngere khala simola yana le simolotse ko Nedbank.
The simolotse ko Nedbank we played the team yako Northern Wolverines. Yeah, we played 1-1 and we beat them on penalties. Then the next game we played against Titans, we lost 1-0.
Yeah.
So for us, it's a good result because they've been there for years now, and I know that they are champions of Tshwane as well.
Yeah.
So for our in terms of our progress, we see a lot of improvement.
Go tleng gore o letse McFarlane mogala?
My family ke motho wa mahai. We checked batho wa mahai pele. There's a lot of coaches that were on the list, but McFarlane was on top of the list.
O nona le ba bang?
Yeah, hona le ba bangwe but
ha o tlhoko re ntshe
no ka tsama. Yeah, just fake be ba mabitso a bona. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but they were there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we believe McFarlane because of he's from JM, so we said no man, McFarlane come to us. Let's start something. He's been consistent, I can tell you.
Yeah.
So we can see this future there.
No, na ke miss.
Yeah, so
le ga yana mabopane JM.
Yeah.
How ya mo Facebook page nya bona the background picture. Yo santsa le temo the background picture le fa ile gore.
Yeah. But you can't change history. He was the main guy there. Yeah. Whether you like it or not, you never know. Even tomorrow you can get a call that you must come back. There's nothing we can do. We will accept it.
Yeah.
And so coach him over APC, more second division. So he has he has skills and knowledge and experience. Yeah. Who does club, or he knows how to treat the player, how to. Yeah. So we believe more in.
Yeah. Ya no re McFarlane ke go na le molaetsa o go fitlhetse mo Facebook ke tla boela go ona.
Yeah.
O ntse fatshe le McFarlane la bua gore se tlhopha ke se re thuse McFarlane re ye ko pele le the technical team go America jalo. O ba file gore ngwaga o tsamaela go kae?
Yes, we know that we are challenging. We are challenging, even top 4 is fine. You said even top 4 is fine, but we are going all out.
Yeah. Go le gantsi ke stlhodimetse stream sa lona re Jantjies se le mo go sona sa stream A.
Yeah.
ke bona gape bo Mamelodi All Stars bo social buve ke bona bo zwashu ke ba itse bo Hama Boys a ke JDR bo Dlalisa Moyeni le one ke ya Mamelodi University of Pretoria Empire Corinthians mo kakanyong ya gago bo Golden Bets ke ya Mabopane yone ke ya mosimane go te Denzel Malebie mo kakanyong ya gago no stsuitse ya no gore le Mamelodi le a go dira yang gore le go etela zwasho ko Rioton Daily le a go dira yang gore le go etela Hama Boys Dlalisa Moyeni tsotlhe
I believe we have a good team. We can challenge them. We know that Mamelodi is the one that is on top of the list from now. People have so much expectations. So Bagodimo they will team A the champions. But it's easy so we know what they are a very strong team. Bohema Boys, we know them, but I don't think that team is only 4 teams. What are Sokodisa?
Ke bona le Orchard Blue Bets ya Brampo mo Orchard sefa ya no ntla ya dinamelwa jalo gore basibane ba fitla ka nako ba fitla sentle tseo le tsona no studi a kantse ga no reka setlhopha re Jantjies.
Remember, we do a budget. This is a provision, so we do a budget allocated on this one get transport. Then we make sure I fit more amount per every. So we know how the weekend there we can play Kobo, Lodia, Mokobo, Mamelodi, Kobo, LCT Villas, Kobo, Headfield. We also need to take into consideration the French Stammer because of we need to recover Wednesdays. Some go Mike 1. Some go JM. Some go Northwest. So we always take that. Also make sure that we do have that budget. So our budget is even tight, but we make sure that we try our best to ensure that going forward we need to have that kind of money. So people need tough not only to compete, but the same level. So in order to compete, go APC. Because I think we have about 6 teams, both TUT, free agent, Rams. So we need to make sure that we play with them.
Okay, no, go utlwagal. Ya no kantla go la go goroga yang ko bo Mamelodi ko bo Pretoria North mo ka ko CBD lena le ona le sejanaga base kana gona le ba tlo go dirisana le bona gore se tlhopha se khone go ya se khone go boa.
So what we have done is that remember transport is not our core business for now. So we have engaged le batho ba go Guta. There's one I think I can't remember the same name. Transport. So we have made a sort of a pact and an agreement to know each and every after a week or 2, they are with us. So we have a good relationship.
Okay. No. Ke khantseri monate tse re Jantjies re tumella gore gona le ba batlang go le tshegetsa ba le thuse. Ya no gona le potso fa do they have a marketing team? I'm so passionate to join their marketing team. Chairman is so passionate and knows what he's doing.
No, there was one guy who was supposed to come. I saw one post that you shared. Which team did you share? I think you shared one I think they were looking for media intern.
Oh yes.
I
think I said La Masia.
I said I'll look at it and say So we are still waiting for that guy. I want to portfolio. If we are not happy, then hopefully Saturday in the morning, we'll just send it to Ga-Rankuwa mail to advertise. So then we are looking for a person because of we want to give everybody a chance. Because now if we check our media, we've been quiet since we announced, and we don't want to do that. Next week we want to start at least gaining more followers because people are asking us what's going on. But I can tell you we are there. We are surviving.
No, ke nnete thusa le tsona tseo di thusa thata re Jantjies gonne a ke re khona go rekisa le setlhopha gore no ba gaetso rena ga rena budget mme fela bona go re dirang ka bunyane bo re bo tshwereng re kopa fela thuso falele no ke a gopola kana go dirwa khogo ya Nedbank le go ne go phatsima setlhopha sa Guardians ba ne ba le active mo Facebook ya no morago ga fo no re Jantjies
no, I think because of we have a large team. I can tell you we have a large team. So before we must make sure that we have, let's say, the first 25 players. Now we have about 30 players. So it's so difficult to even to buy jerseys for training. So difficult to even. No, it's so difficult. Yeah, so we are trying at least maybe in the next week to cut to make sure that these are the players that we go. We are going with going to go SAP.
Yeah. No, jersey on na lona re Jantjies ke
it's a blue and black. It's a sky blue. Yeah.
Okay. Le na le alternative.
Alternative. It's white. It's all white. And obviously there's going to be a third jersey which is white and maroon. So those are those jerseys. If maybe just for marketing.
No tla di fitlela ra di batla le rena jersey o ka mo Ga-Rankuwa FM re Jantjies re batla go apara jersey tsa mo Ga-Rankuwa Guardians re bona gale gore ke setlhopha sa mo gae. No re Jantjies o tlhalositse gore bobotlana top 4 le McFarlane. Ka mo kakanyong ya gago wena o bona pele yang?
I don't see us the struggle, no ways. I think we're going there to compete. The problem ka Steve McFarlane on this philosophy now compete also. Abato jewa se motho jewa ke motho a itse di favor o nyaka win go bofelo.
No Jantjies potsongwe gape ka botsang ke gore basimana ba buang ka bona ba o ba tsere ka gonne ga ka bona advert e tlhalosa gore le batla batshamiki.
That's why we opted for Steve McFarlane because we know Steve McFarlane on the contacts. On the players to high. Yes, the players, because remember JM, other players were, when you go to ABC, Baba Carter and stuff like that. So we opted for Steve, knowing well that on a big connection with the players, and it's going to be easy to build a team. Remember, we didn't have even a single player. So it was difficult for even a coach, are you available? How much you don't have a player? So it's not an easy thing. So we opted for Steve, knowing well that he's going to deliver, and I think now we are paying the premium for that.
No, wait to me this. No, only short term and long term, medium, mid term, jalo gore. Are tse gore ya no le dirile sentle. Le fetsa maemo a ntla ke enyano re lebella mo kakanyong ya gore ABC national first division kana le batla go etsa ganyane.
For now we can this isn't Yamathomo. We want to bona and we know that because even this season we started late. We didn't have a pre-season. It was not well organized. I think next year we can say that now we are free-fledged. We can compete we can compete. There's no excuses.
Ka moso go ya ka pegelo le mfa gore ga to ka moso le simolla ka ura bongwe le Spartak.
Yes, Spartak. They're very tough guys, so I think that's where most of our players they will be tested.
Molaetsa bofelo re Jantjies re tswa leng gone
ne ke botsa baagi ba Ga-Rankuwa ba tle go Ga-Rankuwa stadium ka moso because of ho tshameka Juventus ka 11, then ho tshameka Guardians, then ho tshameka Titans. So all the teams are Ga-Rankuwa they will go Ga-Rankuwa stadium. So I don't think we want to miss that chance ya bona team tsa mo high.
No ke netere re Jantjies ka moso ke tlo go bona setlhopha sa gago se mmuso ke bona gore batshameki ba gago ba le McFarlane ba tsamaya ka mokgwa le tseleng jang. No re lebogile re Jantjies o ska re latlhegelwa ra tsana ntse gape re o tlhola ga di gago le monate re tlo tlhola le fa go se monate re tlo nna re tlhola re utlwe gore le tsamaya yang ka go Guardians. No ra lebogara thank you. On re buisana le nao ke Boitumelo Jantjies ke ene modulasetilo chairman wa setlhopha seo sa Ga-Rankuwa Guardians ka moso ba kopana la setlhopha seo sa Spartak ka ura ya bongwe re go rekisa go senene mme morago ga fa re tla go fa jalo metshameko mafelo a beke gore ya go tsamaya ka tsela e ntseng jang re lebelle jalo ABC Motsepe le yone metshameko ya Hollywood Bets Men's Regional League.